Stainless steel coolers have become a relatively popular option for house parties and backyard barbecues. You may choose the best stainless steel cooler on the market to enjoy the classic look of these coolers, which will fit in with almost any kind of decor on the inside or outside of your home, despite the fact that they won't perform as well in situations like camping or rugged outdoor activities. We've researched and found 7 top-rated stainless steel coolers, plus 2 you should avoid. Here are the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best stainless steel cooler, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the Trinity TXK-0802 stainless steel cooler with shelf. The best stainless steel cooler is the Trinity TXK-0802 stainless steel cooler with shelf. This cooler is made for a high-grade 304 stainless steel that will offer maximum performance and durability. A dark bronze finish is found on its legs, shelf, and the lid of the cooler for a better overall appearance. The cooler fits perfectly with modern and classic interior decor. The container provides 80-quart storage space and can hold up to 96 cans. The entire cooler is placed on a cage that comes with wheels, making it easy to move the cooler around. It is quick and easy to set up once you receive it, and its high-quality materials ensure a better overall resistance to rust and stains, even when left out in the elements in the backyard. Coming in at number 2, the Igloo Products Corporation 000-44669 stainless steel cooler. Our research indicates that the best stainless steel cooler by Igloo is the Igloo Products Corporation 000-44669 stainless steel cooler. This cooler has a 54-quart internal storage capacity, allowing enough storage space for a party or a barbecue, but without making the container too big, thus leading to a more portable cooler. The shell of the cooler is made from stainless steel that's been manufactured to be rust resistant, ensuring a longer lifespan and the ability to maintain the appearance of the cooler for years. The cooler also features the brand's Cool Riser technology, which helps to improve the cold retention inside of the container. This cooler claims to be built to keep ice for as long as 4 days in total. Coming in at number 3, the Coleman 54-quart stainless steel belted cooler. The best stainless steel cooler by Coleman currently on the market is the Coleman 54-quart stainless belted cooler. This cooler is made from heavy-duty stainless steel that can withstand most environmental conditions without rusting. The container can keep as much as 85 cans cold as long as 4 days, ensuring that the cooler can be used for multi-day trips or events. Comfort grip handles on both sides, made from high-quality steel, means the cooler will be easy to carry around, while its compact size also ensures that it is not too heavy to be carried by only 2 people. The Coleman 54-quart steel-belted cooler has been designed to offer a retro look, which is considered a trending decor statement in modern times. Coming in at number 4, the Outsunny 80-quart rolling ice chest portable patio party drink cooler cart. If you are looking for the best stainless steel cooler with wheels, then take a look at the Outsunny 80-quart rolling ice chest portable patio party drink cooler cart. This cooler has been designed to provide a cart-like performance similar to a wheeled cooler, ensuring that it can be rolled from one location to another with ease. Handles located on both sides of the cooler box also make it easy to carry the cart where wheels are not an appropriate option. The durable steel frame ensures the cooler looks great no matter your current decor, but also performs well under different situations and conditions. The cooler has been built to provide the user with years of performance. For added convenience, a bottle opener is built onto the side of the container together with a department that catches the bottle caps. Coming in at number 5, the Corona stainless steel beer cooler. For some, a smaller option may be more appropriate when you're only planning a peaceful day in the backyard, perhaps spending some quality time with your family. In such a case, the best small stainless steel cooler would be the Corona stainless steel beer cooler. Even though dubbed a beer cooler, this option is appropriate for food and many other items as well. The cooler box features a specially designed latch ensuring that the internal content can be sealed shut. This helps to prolong the cold retention on the inside and to ensure that the heat from outside environments will not cause the ice to start melting. Coming in at number 6, the Tommy Bahama 100 quart stainless steel rolling party cooler. A true collector's item and also the best large stainless steel cooler we found available at the moment is the Tommy Bahama 100 quart stainless steel rolling party cooler. It is perfect for throwing a party or having a big barbecue in the backyard. This cooler box is made from durable high-grade stainless steel, ensuring that exposure to the sun and even wet conditions will not cause the steel to rust. The internal container is supersized to ensure more food and drinks can be kept cool during a hot day. Thermoform insulation is used inside the container to help provide a maximum level of cold retention, while the molded top allows for easy access to foods and drinks, which can be easily divided thanks to the split lid design. Coming in at number 7, the ORCA ORG CG058 cooler with extendable flex grip handles. The ORCA cooler with extendable flex grip handles offers a balance between price, performance, durability, and portability. The cooler box is made from durable stainless steel that does not rust easily, even when the box is kept outside. The 58-quart internal storage allows for a large number of cans and food to be stored and kept at a cold temperature when it is hot outside. The roll-to-molded construction of the cooler ensures heavy-duty performance, while the flex grip handles ensure it's easy to carry the cooler box around. In addition to its main internal storage compartment, a cargo net is attached to the cooler box to provide extra storage space for utensils and other items that do not necessarily need to be kept cold. And now for the cooler to avoid. The Coleman Camping Tailgating 54-quart stainless steel belted ice chest. If you prefer a stainless steel cooler and like the Coleman brand, then we recommend you avoid this Coleman steel belted cooler and rather opt for one of the other cooler options available. The Coleman Camping Tailgate 54-quart stainless steel belted ice chest has a 54-quart internal storage capacity and a number of additional features that might make it seem convenient, but we found some negative factors that outweigh the positives. In particular, it seems like the steel utilized in the construction and concentration of this cooler box is not as high grade as other options, which means rust will start to develop much faster on this cooler model. And now for the last to avoid, the Oakland Living AZ91008-60-S stainless steel 15-gallon cart outdoor cooler. Now for the worst stainless steel cooler on the market, we found the Oakland Living AZ91008-60-S stainless steel 15-gallon cart outdoor cooler to be a fit for the criteria of worst stainless steel cooler. There are some positive aspects to this cooler box, such as the relatively large internal storage capacity coupled with its split lid feature that helps you divide the internal content according to your preferences. Unfortunately, we also found that this cooler does not perform well in outdoor situations and tends to develop rust faster than some of the cheaper options on the market. Its price is also higher than many alternative options with smaller storage space and features. Our final thoughts on buying the best stainless steel cooler. Even though rotomolded coolers and soft-sided coolers are on the most popular end of the spectrum in terms of cooler options, many people are turning toward the classic stainless steel versions due to their appearance and style. Choosing the right cooler is vital, as some stainless steel options do not perform well and will rust in certain situations. After extensive research, we've brought you the best stainless steel cooler review guide, and hopefully you are now better suited to make an informed purchase decision.